In this video, I just want to teach you, I just want to get to the point and show you step by step how to make real money online as an affiliate. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning real commissions online. So basically, when you promote someone else's product, you advertise that product, someone goes to that link that you're going to provide and they make a purchase, you're going to make a commission. Now, that commission could be anywhere from 2% up to 100%. Now, I'm on a website right now, which is Clickbank, okay? And Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace that has thousands of digital products that you can promote and start earning commissions. Now, all the commissions is handled by Clickbank and they will just send you a straight paycheck to your address or electronic transfer into your bank account. Now, before I dive into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so whenever I promote and come up with a brand new video, you're the first one to get notified. And also don't forget to check out the links in my description box in my bio below this video. There are some useful links that could help you boost your business and take your business to the next level. Also, I will have a link in my comment box as well. Just go to that link and it will be something that could take your business to the next level. So let's dive into this video. Right now I'm on Clickbank. So step one is that you need to actually have a landing page. Okay, you need to build a list. The money is in the list. All right, so you want to build those subscribers who's interested in your niche, whether you're promoting a make money online offer, whether you're promoting a weight loss offer, whether you're promoting a sports offer, whatever offer you're promoting, whatever you're passionate about, make sure you have a landing page and you drive traffic to that landing page and you get people to subscribe to your list. Now, when you have a landing page, you will need an autoresponder. An autoresponder is where those emails are stored. All right, I have a very detailed video and so many videos on this, on where do you get the autoresponder, how do you connect the dots, how do you write those emails. So I don't want to go into much details in this video, but I just want to give you the shortcut on how easy it is to make money online as an affiliate. It's quite sad and it's quite disappointing to hear from people that they try to make things complicated. It's very simple. Just get step one, just get a landing page. Now you could get this landing page built by someone by going to a third-party website. You could do it yourself if you have some HTML skills, or you could use a tool or a software like ClickFunnels. All right, ClickFunnels gives you done for you templates and done for you ready-made templates that you can use. You just need to make a bit of tweak, which only takes about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And then you could have a ready-made landing page where you can drive traffic. ClickFunnels also allows you to split test those two different landing pages. Right now, if you want to join ClickFunnels, it does come with a free trial for the first 14 days and you want to test drive it. The links are going to be in the description box below this video. Make sure you check that out. All right, so you get that landing page, you got your landing page. All right, then you just go to Clickbank and you choose an offer. Now, if you're in the make money online offer, then you can see here there are so many offers that's going to pay you some good amount of commission. So first, the first offer is the live chat job. It's going to pay you $70 per sale. All right, and I think it starts off with a $1 trial, which is great. Okay, the gravity score is about 229.07, a score based on the numbers of unique affiliates generating sales. All right, the higher the score, the better, because that means there's so many affiliates promoting it, and there has to be a reason why the affiliates are promoting it. They're probably making money. All right, so just say you want to promote this product, you just want to click on this promote button. All right, and then you want to click on generate hop link, and there you go. Clickbank is going to give you this long link. All right, you just want to copy this link, and this is where you're going to drive traffic. You're going to send people to this link. Every time someone visits this link and purchases the product, you make a commission. All right, now you could turn this link into a very beautiful short link by using tinyurl.com, bit.ly, etc. So this is your link. All right, and then you just want to get that link and go into your landing page and make sure in your tool, your editing software, you just paste that link inside. So anyone who enters their email and click on submit, they are redirected directly to this Clickbank offer. Very, very simple, my friend. Very simple, all right? Now, what you need to do is you need to make sure that before you get this landing page and you have this product, make sure you visit the product and you see what this is all about. And then try your best to make your landing page congruent with this offer. This is a method to get sales instantly. A lot of people don't generate sales instantly. That is because they have a text version like this. Okay, when they go and visit the website, which is going to be on the other side, for instance, just say it's live chat jobs, that live chat jobs is not congruent with this text, so they don't make money. All right, now in this case, if you look at this free video reviews, exactly how I went from $0 to $1,000 per day online on complete autopilot without having a website. Is this congruent with live chat jobs? No, it's not. All right, so make sure your text is congruent with the offer that you're going to be promoting on the other side. Very, very, very important to generate sales instantly. And then once you have that, then make sure you have your emails in your autoresponder as well, so those emails start kicking in and telling them to go back to this offer and check this out. All right, so you're basically promoting this offer, and it's called a complete autopilot money machine. So the email are just going out on your behalf without you having to do anything yourself. It's very simple. I hope you understand till now that this is very basic, very simple. You just have to follow the process and follow the steps, and you can start making money. The problem with people is that they give up. They just give up. They'll try 2-3 times and they'll give up. You have to create a never giving up attitude, okay? So that's simple. Now the big question, when 99.9% people struggle, how do I get traffic? There are so many ways to generate traffic. You could do PPC, PPV, media buy, you could do solo ads. Now, because I'm talking about building a list, which is very, very important. You build a list, you can make money. You can basically print your own paychecks. So to do that, you need a traffic source that's low risk, and that gives you that cutting edge to build that list rapidly fast. And the traffic source is going to be solo ads. Okay, you can build that list very, very quickly using solo ads email. Now, before I dive into the traffic source, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And also make sure you check out the links in my description box below this video and in the comment box in the bio, because I'm going to have a link to an event that's going to show you a $300,000 per month affiliate commission campaign. All right, a guy, which is my mentor, who's making over $300,000 every single month in affiliate commissions, and that event is going to happen in just a couple of days. You might want to, if you're interested in learning how this is all done, how you can become a super affiliate, a professional in generating insane amounts of commissions every single month on completely autopilot, then you might want to check the links in the description box. That link will be in the comment box as well. Just click on that link and you will come to a page just like this. Okay, you want to come here, you want to click on yes, I want in. Just put your real name, real email address, so we could send you more info and register. Okay, that event is going to happen in the next 3 days. All right, so you don't want to miss this out. So let's just dive back into the traffic. The traffic source, one of the solo ad traffic source is called trafficforme.com. Okay, they have different type of traffic in this website. Okay, they have like a platinum traffic, they have super VIP traffic, etc. You can just go whatever suits your offer and start driving traffic. The good news about this traffic source is that if you're promoting a weight loss offer and you're looking for weight loss traffic, they have this available within their network. So just go inside, look into the members area, and you will able to start driving real quality human traffic to your offer, to your landing page, using this traffic network. Now, there are so many solo ad traffic networks. I have been talking about one specific traffic network so many times in my videos, and I have pick and pack those top-notch traffic sellers that could potentially generate sales for you because they have very high quality traffic. Now, if you want to learn more about that traffic, then you need to check the links out in the description box below this video. That traffic network is a very super VIP traffic network, and there are some two top-notch quality traffic providers that could change everything for you. All the links in the bio in the description box below this video. All right, so that's all. That's how simple it is. Take it step by step, never give up, keep on doing it, and you're going to start making money. Now, if you're interested in learning how to make thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year in net affiliate commissions, then click the link in the description box below this video. You don't want to miss out on this. This is happening. Let me just show you. This is happening in 4 days, 11 hours, 18 minutes and 3 seconds. This live training where you're going to learn how my mentor, this is my mentor, I've been learning a lot of things from him, and since following his steps, I have gone on to make multiple six figures on the internet. All right, so if you want to learn exactly how this is all done, then you don't want to miss this out. Just click the link in the description box below this video. It's going to be in the comment box as well, and just click on this, enter your email so we could give you more info on this, and then you will able to watch the webinar and start seeing how this all works and how you can become financially free and live the .com lifestyle where you have time freedom, location freedom, money freedom, and live the life of your dreams. Okay, so that's all for now. This is how affiliate marketing works. This is how you promote other people's products. See you in the next video.